Hello, Ryan here, Still Reviews. Let's say you've had your trade account, your drinktrade.com account for coffee subscription, and maybe it's just not for you anymore. And you need to relieve yourself of that economic burden, that financial burden, with the weekly, bi-weekly, monthly charges, whatever it is you're signed up for. We're going to do this on a mobile browser on iOS, but this will be virtually identical on a desktop browser as well as on an Android browser like Chrome Portable, something like that. When you're on the main page, which should look familiar, it changes pretty often, but it always kind of looks the same. You'll want to take a look at that hamburger button up at the top right, because we need to get to our account, okay? So let's focus up there. You want to give that a little tap-a-roo. You'll want to log in if you're not logged in already, and if you forgot your password, you can do a password recovery. So I just kind of skipped over to where I'm logged in. You can see what I am subscribed to. My next delivery will be that Juggernaut coffee. But you know what? I'm going to opt out for it right now because maybe I don't have the $18 or $20, whatever the charge is. And maybe I don't need a break. Maybe I need to totally cancel it, and it'll be up to me if I want to go back. And if you'd like to check out Drink Trade, I do have a link in the description. If you sign up under me, we'll both get some free coffee, which is really cool. And you can see my taste profile right there, taste collection. I like it classy, classic, rich, smoky, dark. All right, so when we're on that My Subscriptions tab, you see that at the top? It's rounded out in black background. So all you'll do is scroll down. In this tutorial, we want to cancel. We do not want to pause, we want to cancel. You can modify if you'd like to, but our ultimate goal here is to cancel our Drink Trade subscription. And maybe we'll go back. Pretty good service. Drink Trade kind of does a flavor profile for you, gives you a good recommendation, and delivers it quickly, fresh, from what they claim are the best roasters in the United States. And the bags I've had, they were delicious. But there you go, at almost the very bottom, you could either take a break or cancel subscriptions. We want to cancel the subscription. We want the billing to completely stop. We don't want it to stop for a few weeks. Forget about it, get billed. Times are tough, might hit an overdraft. This is the best way to prevent it completely, because it can be up to you. You don't have to just take a break. There's no benefit to it. It's just a pause you may forget about. We want to cancel. And if we want to come back, we'll come back. They're going to send you some messages telling you they miss you. They might offer you some discounts. It's typically how loss prevention for subscriptions on websites happens. So let's go ahead and let's proceed with canceling the subscription. And let's see how far they drag us in the mud, or not. Who knows? I don't know. As far as trying to retain us, why do you want to leave? Are you sure you want to leave? What if we give you 25% off? Please don't go. Let's find out. Okay, share your reason for leaving, and there's an asterisk, so you must choose something. I hate being forced to do that. So you can either just pick anything you want there. If you hit other, you're going to have to type something in. That's even more work. But if you're sincere and you want to let them know if there was an issue, or, you're trying to help their analytics and data and things like that, feel free to do so. I have no reason to think there's anything wrong with this company. There was no issues for me. I just don't want the bill anymore. Maybe I want to try something else. So I hit other and I typed other. They're sorry to see you go. Come back soon. Is there anything else? And there's no asterisk, so you could just hit confirm and move on. That would be fine. You don't have to put anything there. That was pretty painless. I've got to give Drink Trade coffee subscription company a double thumbs up automatically right there. And here we go. Your subscription is canceled. That feels really good. And it's over with.